At third, the oil level adjusting method is applied with the overflow plug type. This is type for adjusting oil level using oil level adjusting plug at lower part of transaxle instead of conventional oil level gauge type. Using permanent one for transaxle oil, it is not required for driver to perform frequent check. It uses JWS 3309, the specific automaker transaxle oil. If other oil is mixed, endurance may be degraded or shift feeling cannot be guaranteed. In the service center, the torque converter and oil cooler are required as the transaxle part and replacing part. At repairing, specific oil should be injected and oil level should be adjusted. Then, let's study how to adjust oil level. At first, locate the vehicle on level ground and hold the tire. Then, locate the shifting lever at P position. And then, remove the plug 1 oil inlet at upper portion of the transaxle and the plug 2 at lower portion of the transaxle. At this time, if ATF is not drained through the overflow plug, add ATF at oil inlet additionally. Then install the plug 2 and add ATF with 500 cc. Start the engine. With operating the brake, shift the lever from P to each speed range. At that time, hold the shift for 2 seconds or more at each range. The shifting is repeated 2 times. After that, at the stabilized engine idle state, when the ATF temperature of TCM signal is 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, remove plug 2 from lower portion of the transaxle. Wait until ATF is dropped. Replace O-ring of plug 2 with new one and assemble. If ATF temperature is out of specification range, turn off the engine and restart from step for pouring ATF additionally. Finally, replace O-ring of plug 1 with new one and assemble.